Hi there and welcome to this comprehensive video where we will be discussing credit cards. Credit cards can be a powerful financial tool when used wisely, but they can also lead to debt if not handled responsibly. In this video, we'll go over the best ways to use your credit card, how to avoid debt, and provide you with all the information you need to make informed decisions about using credit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial advice. So, let's get started. Understanding credit cards. The first step to using credit cards responsibly is to have a good understanding of how they work. A credit card is a type of loan that allows you to borrow up to a certain amount of money. You can use the borrowed funds to make purchases and then repay the principal plus interest over time. It is critical to understand the terms and conditions of your credit card. You should be aware of the annual percentage rate or APR, which is the interest rate you will be charged if you carry a balance from month to month. Other terms to be aware of include the grace period, which is the amount of time you have to pay your bill before interest is charged, late fees, balance transfer fees, and cash advance fees. When selecting a credit card, you should also consider the card's rewards and benefits. Some credit cards provide cash back or points for purchases, while others provide travel rewards or other perks. It is critical to select a card that fits your spending habits and offers the rewards and benefits that are most important to you. Building a good credit history. One of the best ways to use your credit card is to build a good credit history. Your credit history is a record of how you have used credit in the past, and it affects your ability to get a loan, rent an apartment, and even get a job. A good credit history can also result in lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. To establish a positive credit history, make all of your credit card payments on time and keep your balances low. It's also critical to use your credit card on a regular basis, but not to the point of overspending and incurring debt. As a general rule, keep your credit card balance under 30% of your credit limit. This demonstrates to lenders that you use credit responsibly and can manage the amount borrowed. It's also a good idea to keep your credit card accounts open for as long as possible. Your credit score is affected by the length of your credit history, so the longer you have a credit card, the better it is for your credit history. Earning rewards. Another great way to use your credit card is to earn rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards such as cash back, points, or miles for purchases you make with the card. These rewards can be a great way to save money or earn free travel. To maximize your rewards, it's important to choose the right credit card. Look for a card that offers rewards in categories you frequently spend in, such as grocery shopping or dining. Also, be sure to pay off your balance in full each month, as carrying a balance will offset any rewards you earn. It's also important to understand the rewards program offered by your credit card. Some programs have limits on the amount of rewards you can earn, while others require you to redeem your rewards within a certain time frame. Read the terms and conditions of the rewards program to make sure you understand how it works and how to maximize your rewards. Providing financial security. Credit cards also provide an extra layer of financial security. Most credit cards come with fraud protection, which means that if someone steals your card information or uses your card without your authorization, you are not responsible for the charges. In addition, many credit cards offer extended warranty protection on purchases, which means that if the item you purchase with your credit card breaks or becomes damaged within a certain time frame, you can get a replacement or repair without paying any additional costs. It's important to monitor your credit card statements regularly and report any suspicious or unauthorized charges as soon as possible. This will help you catch any fraud or errors before they become a major problem. Avoiding debt. While credit cards can be a powerful financial tool, they can also lead to debt if not used responsibly. Paying off your balance in full each month is the most effective way to avoid debt. This means you won't be paying any interest or fees, and you won't be incurring any new debt. If you can't pay off your balance in full each month, keep it as low as possible and make more than the minimum payment. The longer you keep a balance open, the more interest you will be charged, increasing the amount you owe. It's also important to not spend more than you can afford to pay back. This includes making and sticking to a budget, as well as avoiding impulse purchases, and using your credit card to live above your means. Consider a balance transfer card. If you have existing credit card debt, a balance transfer card may be a good option for you. This type of credit card allows you to transfer your existing balance to a new card with a lower interest rate. This can help you save money on interest charges and pay down your debt faster. Just be aware of the balance transfer fee and make sure you understand the terms of the offer before applying. Avoid cash advances. Cash advances allow you to withdraw cash from an ATM using your credit card, but they come with high fees and interest rates. They also start accruing interest immediately, meaning you will begin incurring debt as soon as you take the cash advance. To avoid this, it's best to avoid cash advances altogether and find alternative options for accessing cash. Be mindful of fees. Different credit cards come with different fees, such as annual fees, late payment fees, balance transfer fees, and cash advance fees. It's critical to understand the fees associated with your credit card and compare different options to find the one that best meets your needs. Some credit cards may also provide introductory offers, such as no annual fee for the first year or a 0% introductory rate. Make sure you understand the terms of these offers, as well as the fees that will apply once the offer expires. In conclusion, credit cards can be a valuable financial tool when used wisely. You can make the most of your credit card by understanding how it works, establishing a good credit history, earning rewards, and using it for financial security. By staying out of debt and within your means, you can ensure that your credit card remains a useful financial tool. Thank you for watching this video on credit cards. We hope that you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.